not going to go full throttle.
All right. Gas it just once when you get away from it. Bring it back. Oh, slow. Oh, there you go. Now turn it. You got to remember, backward, left and right. Yeah, you can turn it all. Oh, there you. Left and right are reversed when it's coming at you. You got to remember that. No, you want to go backwards now. Go backwards. There you go. Now you can go. There you go.
I move.
Let me move. I'm standing where I've always been standing. There you go.
That was awesome.
Anything else you're going to do?
No. I don't want to do a wheelie because I don't want to press the audience.
You don't want to what?
I don't want to encourage the audience to do wheelies.
Oh, okay.
You gotta put this on YouTube?
If you want it on YouTube. We should make a jump.
I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
I mean, there are no jumps.
Well, we should make one.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah. Are we done for now?